In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in order to perform squats properly, with some great tips and tricks to help you easily learn correct squat form. This lesson will maximize your results, strengthening not only your quads, your glutes and lower back, but also engaging your core. I'm Laurent from Origin, who qualify thousands of fitness professionals each year, and this is how to perform squats. First of all, let's take a look at the basic squat. Then later, I'll show you a great tip guaranteed to perfect your form and maximize your results.
Start with your feet shoulder width apart and toes facing forward. Put your arms out for balance and keeping your back straight, push back from the hips, placing weight in the heels and sit back until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your head up, hold this position for 3 seconds, then push up through the heels, come up tall and straighten out the hips.
Now let's take a look at the correct squat form we are aiming for. There are 3 key things to focus on.
Keeping the back straight, thighs parallel to the floor and knees in line with the toes.
Here's a great tip to teach you to keep the back straight.
Put your arms straight above your head and then go down into the squat, making sure your arms stay up rather than coming forward. This will ensure that you're not leaning too far forward and that your back remains straight throughout.
Here are some other great tips to ensure you get the most out of the squat.
Place weight through the heels, not the toes. When you're going into the squat, lead with the hips, not the knees. Sit back into the squat. Now, if you're using a bar, make sure you keep the bar at shoulder level, not neck level. Keep your feet square. Breathe in as you squat into sitting position and breathe out once you've reached standing position. Don't lock your knees once in standing position. It is also important not to drop into a sitting position. Make sure it's a controlled movement all the way down and all the way back up. Don't allow your knees to track inward while squatting. If this happens, you should focus on pushing your knees outward as you perform the squat.
Now here's a useful tip to engage the core whilst performing the squat. This is a great tip for coming up out of a squat, especially if you're using weights.
Engaging the right muscles is about knowing where to place your focus. So the best way to engage your core when coming out of a squat is to place your focus on the chest and the hips. Focus on moving the chest and hips together whilst coming up.
This will automatically engage your core and ensure you get the best results from this exercise. So that's everything you need to know to perform the perfect squat. If you like this video and want to learn more fitness tips, then click the subscribe button. And if you're passionate about fitness, then visit our website, originpersonaltrainercourses.co.uk. Which tip did you find most useful? What are the biggest squat mistakes you've seen? Let us know in the comment section below, and thank you for watching the video.